What if your packaging did more than just deliver a product? What if it could create an unforgettable experience? In today's fast-paced, digital-first world, a creative and thoughtful box packaging design can make all the difference between a one-time sale and a lifelong customer. Welcome to Penji, your go-to resource for all things design. In this video, we're breaking down some of the most eye-catching and effective mailing box designs that will inspire your next packaging project. Whether you're aiming for bold colors, eco-friendliness, or sleek minimalism, we've got some brilliant examples to share. Let's explore how box packaging design can transform your brand's unboxing experience. First off, we have the vibrant, culturally rich box for Phool Organic Gulaal, designed by Tanuja Mather and Shubhakshi Seth. This mailing box design truly celebrates color. The brand, which offers Gulaal powders for the festival of Holi, bursts with bright hues and traditional imagery, like dancing to the beats of a doll and sweets being prepared for Holi. If your products are colorful and culturally significant, an eye-popping box like this could be a showstopper. Now, let's move on to a design that doesn't just focus on the outside. Coming in at number 2 is this box for 120 Water Audit by Commotion Studio. What's amazing about this packaging is that it keeps the excitement going even after the box is opened. The water testing kit includes everything a customer needs, clearly labeled and designed with ease in mind. The inside is just as engaging as the exterior, showing that thoughtful design can elevate the whole experience. Who says corrugated boxes have to be boring? This next example is a box packaging design for Mexbox, crafted by Menta Picante. The brand offers a subscription service for Mexican food and treats, and the design captures the essence of a lively fiesta without going overboard. The use of subtle patterns, bright colors, and playful typography makes this mailer a feast for the eyes. And here's a classic one, Birchbox. Known as one of the pioneers in the subscription box world, Birchbox has been keeping things fresh since 2010. One of their most notable designs is the March 2015 release, which features bold combinations of spring-ready prints. The colorful mix keeps customers excited about what's inside, proving that mailing box design plays a huge role in the unboxing experience. Taking things up a notch, here's a design that's not only stylish but also sustainable. The brand BSCLY delivers their clothing kits in a box made from sugarcane. Yes, it's 100% biodegradable and compostable. Their box packaging design aligns perfectly with their brand ethos of sustainability, proving that being eco-friendly can also be aesthetically pleasing. And let's be real, who wouldn't appreciate a package that's kind to the environment? If these designs inspired you, you want to see the rest. To explore more stunning mailing box designs and discover more packaging ideas, head over to the Penji blog where we break down even more creative examples. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of creative box packaging designs, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Penji's YouTube channel for more tips on design and branding.